Hi guys, Captain Nick here with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. Today we're on an Aquila 36 power catamaran. One take walkthrough, raw and uncut. Hope you enjoy it. Here at the helm, about as optioned out as you can get. Dual Raymarine screens, controls to your spotlight right here. Joystick piloting with Skyhook 2, and makes docking easy and fun. Moving on up to the bow, a couple things I want to show you. Tremendous amount of bow seating. As you can see over here, you have the option to have it completely flat. Over here, open it up like so to wherever you're liking, whether you're underway or you're just kind of cruising into sandbar. You have options is what I'm trying to tell you. Down beneath me right here, index storage, good amount of it up on the bow. You notice right here there's two staterooms in this boat. Down below they're both going to mirror each other, each with their own head and bed. Over here you guys see the theme of plenty of seating. It's also going to transform too to the table. I'm going to have a couple extra dinner guests. That's what you're going to do. You do notice that this particular model has the full height windshield, give you a little bit more privacy, whether you're staying at a marina somewhere or you're docked up and living on the boat. Make your way back here. You can notice that you have a fridge down there. And on this one, you're going to have the cooktop in the galley. And the reason for that is, back here, you have your grill. Grill your burgers back here or whatever. Cook a little bit of breakfast on a stovetop. That's what it's all about. You notice down below, you have a fridge too. Good amount of seating back here. This does fold out too to create a lounging area. Coming on all the way back to the aft deck. A ladder is in there that goes down when you are at the sandbar. You see here we're equipped by the twin Mercury white 350 horsepower supercharged engines. The greatest and most reliable engines on the market. Going to push this boat through the water over 40 miles an hour. Once again, I'm Captain Nick with MarineMax in St. Petersburg. This is an Aquila 36 power catamaran unlike anything else on the market. Come on down and I would love to give you your own personal tour. Bye guys.